part of this question? Abdul Rafi?
Why are Muslims encouraged to pay sadaqah during Eid al-Fitr?
So,
Sadaqah,
do you know what is Sadaqat al-Fitr?
yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is given at the end of Ramadan before Eid.
And why it is given, by whom it is given?
Sir, it is given.
Okay, read from the suggested answer, we will discuss that.
Sadaqat al-Fitr is a duty which is wajib on all Muslims as long as they have the means to do it. The head of the house is meant to pay the required amount of other
Read
members of
this
the
line
family.
again. Who is required to give sadaqah?
The head of the house
The head of the family or the house. Ji.
is
Read,
meant
read
to pay
Shafar.
the head of the house is meant to pay the required amount for other members of the family. Its payment is encouraged so as to provide those who fasted with a means of making up for errors during the month of Ramadan, and it also provides means with which the poor can celebrate the festival along with the rest of the Muslim community.
Yani this Sadaqat al-Fitr is given by the head of the family on behalf of all the members of the family. And the benefit of this Sadaqat al-Fitr is dual. Yani there is a benefit for those who give, and there is a benefit for those who get it. Those who give, benefit for them is that if they have committed any minor mistakes during the month of Ramadan, so by giving this Sadaqatul Fitr, they will restore the validity of the fasting, or they can mend those mistakes or errors which they made during the fasting because of their careless attitude. So, I mean, by giving Sadaqatul Fitr, they will make up those errors. And of course, Eid is a festivity, and in the festivity, for the participation in the festivity, the members of the society, they need money. So in this way, they get money and get ready to participate in the festivity of Eid al-Fitr. So that's why the Muslims are encouraged to pay Sadaqatul Fitr, and Sadaqatul Fitr will be paid by the head of the family, that family who is under the obligation to give zakat. Those who are poor, those don't have the nisab with them, and those who get zakat, they can get Sadaqatul Fitr as well. Let's see what the next question is. I hope this is a straightforward question and there's no problem in understanding and solving this question. What do you say, boys? How many are in the class? Only 6. Abdullah Subhan, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Abdullah Subhan, what is the next question?
How did the pillars of prayer, salat, and fasting, Assam bring Muslims closer to both God and other people?
Yani, can you tell me the question in your own words?
Uh, Sir, prayer and fasting, how do they unite Muslims? The question is asking this.
Anyway, read the suggested answer, then you might understand something more.
And marking this part of the question, please remember that the mark is not divided between Salat and Psalm, but has to be read as a whole. Candidates can write briefly about the observance of each pillar in their answer, and then
What
go.
what what do you mean by observance? Practice. Practice.
Of each pillar in their answer, and then go on to state how the pillar enables Muslims to show their obedience to God, and how its observance gives them awareness of God's demand on his God's demands on his creation, and also how it makes Muslims conscious of God as their creator and sustainer, and how humbly they serve him. Also, by observing these two pillars, it promotes unity and equality between Muslims and makes them aware of each other's need, etc. These equality and awareness that they have all been created by God is what brings Muslims closer to one another. Other points that have not been mentioned in the mark scheme could be given by the candidates, as the mark scheme is only a guidance to the examiner. In order to get to the top levels, answers must make a reference to how the pillars enable Muslims to get closer to God and their fellow beings.
Can you tell me how, because of fasting, the Muslims they get closer to Allah? How? Can you say something?
Uh, Sir, they all are going through the same things.
No, okay, they are going the same thing. This proves the equality. This shows the equality. But I'm asking, you see in the question it is said that these two things, fasting and salat, bring Muslim closer to Allah. So how this fasting is bringing Muslims closer to Allah? How?
Uh, Sir, Muslims avoid sins in fasting, and
You
during
see, you have to say, this fasting is such a worship that it can not be noticed by the fellow human being. Okay, it is a secret kind of worship. It is secretly done. So it is in between man and Allah. It between Allah and the individual. So individuals, they do not do anything against the commands of Allah, even once they are all alone, because they know that they are being watched by Allah. So in this way, they get closer to Allah because of the fasting. And Allah knows that this person has given up all his layers and all. He is doing all for the sake of Allah himself. So when he is doing everything for sake of Allah, and it is known to Allah, and it is known secretly to Allah even. So in this way, this develop the sense in the Muslim that he is being watched by Allah, he is in the company of Allah. So this thinking, this thought brings him closer to Allah. And how does bring fasting brings this Muslim to the people? Can you give an example?
Like, sir, at the time of breaking fast, people gather in mosques, they pray, they eat food together.
Good point. And another point you can say that during the fasting, they give more sadaqah to the people around, those who need this, those who are poor, and they remain more conscious about the rights of the fellow human being. They are not involved in any sort of activity where they embarrass their fellow human beings or where they offend them. So these activities naturally bring them closer to one another. What is the B part of this question, Abdullah Subhan?
briefly reflect upon the importance of any of uh, of any one of the remaining three pillars in the life of a Muslim. As the
So,
question,
what is the meaning of this question?
sir, we should tell about one of another pillar.
Which another? Which another?
Sir, any one pillar, and
Any one of the five pillars. You can talk about the fasting
no,
or the prayer.
no, any one of the pillars except the fasting and salat.
Okay, good. So what will you choose to discuss?
Sir, zakat.
No, zakat is already there. Okay, so what you will say? What is the importance of zakat?
Uh, s- uh, Sir, it creates humbleness.
Huh?
Sir, it creates humbleness.
Zakat creates humbleness.
Sir, no.
No. So then what is the
Sir, it
importance of
purifies your wealth.
G?
Sir, it purifies your wealth.
Okay, it purifies your wealth. It purifies your heart from the greed and selfishness. It promotes the economy of the people. It promotes the love and understanding amongst the people. It diminishes the crime rate in the society. Isn't that? Abdullah Subhan, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand, Abdullah Subhan? Ji Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
what do you understand?
Sir, that the people will like each other, and the people will not be poor, and their wealth and the money will circulate.
So these points do have to elaborate, right? Let's see the next question. It is a bit different question. Bajwa, can you read this question?
Yes, sir.
Ji,
What are the daily observances of the Ramzan fast?
what do you mean by observances? What is the meaning?
Sir, like practices?
Yes, practices. Ji. So what you will say? What the suggested answer is telling us?
In answer to this part of the question, candidates could simply state facts like Muslims have breakfast sehri before dawn, they abstain from food, drink, etc. during daylight hours, and that they break their fast at sunset. Answers could also include details like Muslims state the formal intention to fast. They also abstain from smoking, taking medicines, and marital relations during the fast, and that they break their fast normally with a date and then offer their prayer. A good response, however, would focus on the need of Muslims to be particularly pious during their fast and to visit the mosque regularly and attend Tarawih prayers in the evening. Other examples of devoting themselves to prayer could be that on the night of uh, power,
What is
power.
this? Bajwa, what is this night of power? Anybody in this class? What is night of power?
Sir,
Sir
Laylatul
Lailatul
Qadr.
Qadr.
Yes, Laylatul Qadr. Bajwa, night of power mean Laylatul Qadr. You read this point.
They should attend the mosque and spend the night in prayer. The able candidates could raise the point that during the fast Muslims should live their life as normal making no concessions for lack of food or drink.
Okay. And what is the recommendation for the fasting people if they come across some violent people? What is recommended for the fasting person?
So they
Ji?
say to them like, I am fasting, I am fasting.
Good, mashallah. So the fasting people are also advised to stay away from any misbehaving or taking part in any sort of quarrel. And if the opponent they are forcing forcing him or her to involve in such thing, this fasting person is commanded to say that I am fasting. Yani, I will not take part in this activity. And do you remember the dua at the Sahri and the Iftari time? Anybody? What is the
So,
special?
ذاب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله.
Okay, so this is at the time
so
of.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت على رزقك أفطرت.
Good. Uh, and what is the B part of this question, Abdurrahman?
Explain why the Ramadan fast is important to Muslims.
Can you explain it in your own words? Why this Ramzan is important, or what is the importance of Ramzan? Can you explain in your own words?
Sir, Ramadan is the month of Quran, like the Quran is revealed in this month. So the Prophet ﷺ and Almighty Allah has asked us to fast in these.
Bhai Bajwa, what is your point? What is the importance of fasting? Why this is important?
Sir tells us how the poor people live their life without food and
Abdurrahman sir, this sort of points are required. You have to answer why this is important. Bajwa, read this given answer so you may have a clue.
the Ramadan fast is a basic pillar of Islam. It increases self-control and shows obedience to Allah. More thoughtful answers will go on to say that it also helps Muslims to remember the poor in the community. It promotes equality and makes the more fortunate ones in society realize the plight of the less fortunate ones, thus fostering fellowship amongst the believers. A point which could be made in answer to this part of the question could be that it is regarded as a gift which the believer gives to Allah.
Anyway, you have to know the question. The question is saying why this is important, right? So you have to answer it. Answer this why. You have not to say it is important. It is clear from the question that this fasting is important. So you are being asked why it is important, right? So you have to answer it why. So be very vigilant when you are answering B part of the question. Allah Hafiz, see you again, beta.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.